dear friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a 3D model of Goku, the famous anime character. And the best part is, we'll be using a completely free 3D model creation tool. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and write a prompt describing the 3D character you want to create. Once your prompt is ready, simply copy it. Now, open a new tab and search for Meshy. It's a free and user-friendly website for creating 3D models from text prompts. Open the Meshy website, click on Start for Free, and log in using your email ID. Once logged in, click on the Text to 3D Model option. Now paste the prompt we created in ChatGPT and click the Generate button. In just a few moments, your 3D model will be ready. You'll see 4 different model variations. Choose the one you like best. I personally love the third one. It looks just like a child version of Goku, so I'm selecting that. Make sure the Generate Texture option is turned on. This automatically adds colors and textures to your 3D model. Now click on Confirm. On the right side, you'll see the 3D model being generated. In just a few seconds, it will be ready. And here it is, our very own 3D model of Goku. At the top, there's a transition option. Click on it to add a cool transition animation to your character. As you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. Go ahead and download your 3D model. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video and want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.